Yeah, this is of course, it's welcoming. This judicial intervention is much needed. With now, the complete definition of Aravalis and all the controversy that's been happening, the various views, etc. It's important that the highest court of the country will take a very scientific review to that, and also ensure that how the ecological sensitivity of this complete range, the oldest range, and also how it's affecting the people there and the natives. So I think it's a very important intervention, and as citizens, we really look forward, to it. That this should be also like a a precedent for whatever's happening in terms of development versus the environmental ecological safety.
But on the other says that only 0.19% of total Aravalli range will be allotted for mining. That too will be controlled. How do you see this statement?
See, this is again, like I said earlier, also, these are games of numbers. It means nothing. Even for 0.19%, what saw basically from the figures, it's almost like more than double of Delhi. So, first of all, for a minister, that he's admitting that there is illegal mining happening, and and the mining happening itself is problematic. So that needs to be nipped there. And instead of working on that, we should not get into this number game. We cannot. There is no way anybody can ever forget. We know what our authorities and how our government is working right now. It's impossible to gauge what is how much mining is happening and not happening. This is absolutely not. These are very sensitive zones, and it cannot afford any mistakes. So we should not get into this number game of or whatever it is.